Hello, I just got done making almond milk, and with my leftover pulp, I never know what to do with my leftover pulp, and I started with my almond milk with soaked almonds, and my almond milk is 2 cups of soaked almonds to 8 cups of water, and then you run it through a nut milk bag. You have all this extra pulp that you just don't want to throw away, and I take and I dehydrate it and make almond flour. So right here I just kind of crumble it up and I'll put it in my dehydrator. Right here you can see I'm just going to put it in my dehydrator and let it dry. It's going to take several hours. And here's some that I already put it in jars, and I haven't run this through my food processor yet. It's still just how it went in, clumpy and everything, and as I need it, I'll just take and put it in my food processor or a dry blender and just blend it up, and you have almond flour. Just let it blend for quite a while and it will blend into almond flour. So there's my almond flour with your leftover almond pulp. Hope you have a good day. Bye-bye.